Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Greece and Turkey had been in heated argument when Turkey sent a survey vessel to map out possible oil and gas drilling prospects in territorial water which is claimed by Greece and areas which is claimed by Cyprus. To be more precise, Turkey and Greece have a coastline on the Mediterranean where Turkey sends the drill ships very often to explore for energy on its continental shelf, and this is the region which is claimed by both the countries. Due to the rising tension with Turkey, the Greek Prime Minister announced a robust arms purchase program and an overhauling of the entire country's military. There were many steps which is being taken in regards to this, and this video will provide such details in a very simpler manner. The first step which was taken by Greece is to ensure the Mirage 2000 fleet which undergoes repairs, upgrades and maintenance procedures, after which they can be used to guard the Greek skies. The Hellenic Air Force has around 16 Mirage 2000 and 25 Mirage 2000-5 which would play a major role in facing any threats from Turkey. The next step which was taken by Greece is to procure Rafale fighters from France. In January 2021, Dassault Aviation confirmed Greece's intention to procure 6 newly built and 12 used F-3-R Rafale aircrafts for approximately $3 billion US. And again during September 2021, it was reported that Greece might be procuring additional 6 Rafale fighters, which makes their order 24. During the time when Greece is facing growing threats from Islamic Turkey, it is good for them to boost their fleet strength and also to boost their combat power by upgrading, overhauling, and procuring new fighters. The next item in the procurement list is the next generation BrahMos maritime mobile coastal batteries, and this is for the Hellenic Navy from India. This is not a confirmed news, but something which is being spoken about in various defense sources and news websites. I will check on this in a more detailed manner and upload another video. Coming to the next item is the agreement with France Naval Group to purchase 3 Bell Hara frigates with an option for one more for the Hellenic Navy as part of $5 billion defense package. It is said that the first ship in this particular class would be laid down during November 2021, and it is expected to be commissioned by 2024 tentatively. At the moment, this program consists of 5 ships. So that was a quick video on the procurement list of Greece to strengthen its fleet and combat power. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.